Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp status without any app. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. So from here I'm going to download this status and view it. So after playing these two status, it's okay. This status has already been pre-installed in my Android phone. All I need is to locate it and pick it up from there. So let me show you. Make sure to stay to the end to see where this status is. So on your phone, locate my files and tap on it. From here, go to and tap on internal storage. From here, locate your Android and tap on it. Pick media and tap on it. From here, the WhatsApp type that I'm using is WhatsApp for Business. If yours is normal WhatsApp, you can go ahead and tap on the normal WhatsApp. By my case, I'm tapping on WhatsApp for Business. So from here, I will then proceed and type on WhatsApp for Business again. And then I'll pick media. So here I have a bunch of different menus to pick from. But I will scroll to the topmost right icons, the three dots. I'll tap on it. And I'll go and pick settings. So from here, I'm going to turn on the show hidden system files. After turn on, I will then go back. Now the statuses that was temporarily downloaded is now stored in there. So here the picture that I just played of the small girl here, and then this one is already in my status. So all I need, assuming I want to copy the picture of the small girls, all I need is just to long press it, and I have a bunch of menus: move, copy, detail, share. So for instance, I want to share this status without having to ask from the one who shared it originally. All I need is to tap on the share icon, and from here I can just share it on my WhatsApp without having to ask for anything. But here I'm interested in copying it to my gallery, so I'll just go and tap on copy. So when I tap on copy, I'll then maneuver backward and turn off the show hidden system. So I'll go back to settings again and turn off the show hidden system files, and I'll proceed backwards again until I place it to the perfect destination that I want. So here I'm just going back to the internal storage, and I'm going to place it on downloads. Here I'm going to copy it here. So this picture has been copied to my gallery. All I need is just to locate my gallery and tap on it. The picture of the small girl is now here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Bye bye.